During Colton RV's Spring Fever sales event, our entire line of Grand Design RVs are available at prices so low, I'm not even allowed to tell you how low. The Transcend Xplor is the perfect fit for your dream of enjoying the outdoors, offering customer-focused design, built-in quality, and the industry-leading warranty that is expected from a Grand Design. It's time to explore the possibilities. The Reflection combines luxury, value, and towability in one amazing package. Grand Design's commitment to exceeding customer expectations has quickly made the Reflection a top-selling name in North America. If you want best in class, you found it. And if you need even more room, the Solitude is the most spacious extended stay fifth wheel ever built, featuring taller ceilings, deeper cabinets, and larger scenic windows. Don't be surprised if this extended stay becomes the rest of your life. So stop by our North Tonawanda and Orchard Park locations all month long to shop Spring Fever prices across our Grand Design line, just in time for camping season.